Hello, beautiful people. So if you'd love to see how I achieve this beautiful hairstyle, this beautiful Fulani braids with twists, then please do keep on watching. Hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Alberta, but you can just simply call me Albie. So I'm back with another mini twist tutorial for you guys, but today we are doing cornrows plus mini twist. Okay, so it's going to give Fulani braids, right, plus twist. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Today's extension is from Noble Hair. They sent me two different colors, color 99J in 20 inches, and then color 1B, M1B. This is what the 99J looks like when it's out of the pack. The color is so beautiful. Very soft. This is what I was looking for. Pre-separate. So knowing how many parts to section this hair with really helps a lot, because once you part it this way, all the braids will have the same size. But if you don't pre-section the hair, you might end up having some of the braids bigger or chunkier or even smaller than others. Okay, so this is one. So I'm going with medium braids. So I'm going to separate this into 1, 2, 3. After braiding the first one, I'll know the exact size to go with. Okay, if I have to add more to the ones that I've already parted, I've already sectioned, I'll add more to it. If I have to take some out, I'll do that. Okay, 3 so far. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so if you're an old subscriber, I believe you know by now I have different methods of doing mini twists with extensions, or even adding extensions to my hair. Okay, so this is one of the methods. In case you are new here, I have different methods of doing this, and this is one of them. Okay, you can check out my other videos where I add extensions to hair, and you will see that I have different methods of doing this. Okay, so yeah, this is just one of the methods that I use to add extensions, and this right here is also another method. Okay, I have about 3 or 4 methods I add extensions to my natural hair. Okay, look at the color combination, guys. Don't you guys love the color so far? I do love the color so far. First row, second row, third row, and then fourth row. Okay, my love, so this is the final results. This is what my hair is currently looking like. I'm absolutely in love with this style. If you are new here and if you've been able to watch up to this point, please do not hesitate to hit on the subscribe button. Subscription is free, okay? Also turn on the post notifications bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Please bear with me, okay? I'm not feeling too well. That's why I sound this way. I feel a bit sick. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Peace.